Hi, I am Jimonuni, and in the book Reviving Jobs, I have written a chapter on boosting women's workforce participation. We are in a job crisis situation, but that is not a new phenomenon. Women's workforce participation has been declining for more than 2 decades. Men's workforce participation has been declining more recently. One of the striking features of women's work is that nearly 60% of rural women and about 35% of urban women are self-employed. Among these self-employed women, a very large proportion, 1/3 of the urban self-employed women, are in manufacturing but engaged in home-based activities. That is, they are manufacturing activities in their household premises. One of the ways to boost employment and to improve their earnings is a very simple way is to improve the social infrastructure and the infrastructure around them. For example, the sanitation facilities, drinking water facilities, and having storage facilities, and also having local, full-time, cheap, legal electricity. Transport facilities to their homes and roads coming up to their homes would help them for marketing and for bringing in their inputs and taking out their inputs. The other striking feature of the women's work in urban areas is that 40% of them are in regular and salaried employment, but nearly 13% of them are domestic workers and 2 to 3% are waste pickers. Among the in the PLFS survey of 1718, it was found that 70% of these women did not have a written job contract, which makes their work extremely precarious. So one of the ways to take care of this is to improve their skill training. Some form of an incentivized skill training for enterprises which employ these workers so that they can boost their skills and get a better employment opportunities either in the same firms or in different firms would be one of the ways to tackle this fact of poor contract regular employment in urban areas. Thank you.